ABSHER was just phase 1. Saudi's new digital identity is here. And you're late if you haven't installed it. What's after ABSHER? Nafath swings in. Skip the queues. Ditch the paperwork. Your phone equals your passport now. Let's go. Grab your phone. App Store or Play Store. Type Nafath. Not Nafath. Not Nafath. Nafath. Install. Now. Open IT. Log in with your ABSHER password. Yes. Same one. ID number plus ABSHER password equals key. Code hits your phone fast. Enter it. Then create a 6-digit PIN. Make it slick. Make it secret. This is your digital vault. Face scan time. Keep your face centered. No duck faces. No sunglasses. Press shutter. And let's get that government-approved selfie. 10. Colossi. You're in. Nafath's live. Request documents. Sign deals. Own your digital life without moving an inch. Your Saudi digital journey just leveled up. Smash like. Subscribe for more tech hacks. And go flex that Nafath access.